Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and thank you for supporting my content. Today we'll be preparing the Dalgona coffee. It's an easy recipe. You can follow along. Yeah, what you need milk, you need sugar, you also need some hot water. Yeah, options are that you can either use a cold milk or hot milk. Yes, thank you guys for watching.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing.
Notice here that I've added 4 spoons of coffee and 3 spoons of sugar. Yeah, you need not add so much sugar because when it's too much sweet, it won't have that coffee taste. Okay, yeah, so I'm adding only a little drops of hot water. Yeah, and then I start the process of whipping. Here, patience is paramount. Be patient.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you.
Are we there yet? Nope. Yes. Are we there yet? Yes.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
So yes, we are almost done. You can serve it and enjoy. Yes, remember to share it with someone special.
So what if you're stupid and you know it's not.
Thank you for watching. Bye guys, stay blessed. Bye.